You're gonna flood it, man.
I'm not gonna flood it. She is not going to flood, all right? We're just gonna stay positive, right? We're gonna clean up this mess. Start.
God damn it, see, you flooded it!
All right. The RV is going to start now. The RV is going to start right now. It's gonna start, and we're gonna drive it over to your house.
My house?
Yes, your house. We're gonna drive it over there and park it overnight. And then tomorrow...
man, not my house!
Shut up! Shut up! After we finish cleaning up this mess, we will go our separate ways. Our paths will never cross. And we will tell this to no one. Understood?
Oh, what, I can talk now? Fine. That goes double for me.